Well, I guess I'm gonna go get some coffee while you guys are running the stops, and get ready to rock and roll, guys. Be back in a couple minutes.
And here are your numbers. Anyone who came up with volatility around 170 to 220, that's a good range for your volatility today. Perfect. Yeah, using a little bit higher volatility keeps you out of trouble, in my opinion. Because it makes you either wait for your profit target sooner, later, or if you're trying to do an entry, you'll be a little more patient rather than jumping in too soon. So we want you guys to, respect those numbers. And the sell signal. How many people took the sell signal? You're allowed the sell signal. Only those with permission are allowed long signals. Okay. We had a nice 100-point winner on the long side. Yep. Should be able to make at least 50 points on the short side.
Nice job, Killer B.
Those of you who waited for stochastics to do two things. Now, those who have permission, and somebody like Stivy, you just started, trust me, in a couple of months, you'll be able to take these long trades and reverse to the short side. So you take the longs until what did Coach say while I was doing the numbers? Wait until you're overbought on the stochastics. As soon as you see a Stokastic sell signal, get out of the longs and reverse to the shorts. Beautiful trade.
I walked away to grab coffee and I missed the ad opportunity, but that's okay.
Yeah, you paid for coffee probably for the whole year with that overnight.
Let's see. Coffee. Yeah, I don't know how much coffee costs. The way I do it, maybe let's call it $1 a day. Yeah, definitely paid for coffee for maybe a couple years.
Unless, of course, inflation ravages the coffee crop or something.
Right.
$20 for a cup of coffee.
The dung beetle starts
Die, you cucaracha. Just bought one at 8:45. Covered. Two left. Now everybody's on the same side, right? Everybody's short.
Coach just replied to you. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay. We'll do.
Yeah, I just don't want to confuse or get something out there that's not consistent with what they have.
Yeah, I had a couple of quests. Impossible Dreams.
We're going on a quest. All right. Dungeons and Dragons it is.
Request on the Sakasa settings. And let me roll it out here.
I mean, most of you should be at 80-20, which is on your stochastics.
Yep. Can you guys see that? Killer Bees, can you see that?
Well, anybody can see it, guys. There's a magnifying glass above the top right of the charts. If you click on that, you can zoom in on anything you want. And it works pretty darn well. Even on your phones, it's amazingly clear on these new phones in on the app. It's crazy. Who was here the day Coach had an unexpected thing? I was on the road. I happened to check in. I called a trade on my phone, just looking at Coach's charts. Who was here that day? I think it was a short trade.
Yeah.
I think we went for like 100 ticks on that trade. Right? You were there, right? What trade?
Yeah.
That's how clear the image is on these newer phones on the app, guys. So download the app. If those are newer to the room, especially you new people, please join the Discord. Lots of helpful folks there. All members. It's nothing but members in the Discord. And that's our community, if you will, for our members, virtual community. Download the mobile app. That way you have us on the go with you. No matter what you're doing, you can listen in, keep the education process going on, keep in tune with what's happening in the market, listen to the stupid jokes and stories. And you got the settings, right, Killer B? Anybody that needs settings on Sakasa while we're still trailing this short?
High momentum for reversals, 20. Low threshold, 1. Low threshold momentum pullbacks, 4. Look back, 10. And stochastics, 80, 20. Profit 5. I don't know what that does.
We don't use that. Nobody's going to use that. They're not going to check that box off.
Exactly. Yeah. For custom ATM name, if you're going to use an ATM, like I call it 30 stops. So if you're going to use the ATM, put it in there. Trade would mean if you wanted to place the trade for you. Stochastic divergence, I have 2. Show long signals and short signals, both checked off. Full auto, I've never clicked that off. HMA period, 21. I don't have the other 2 bars checked. And of course, input series, you can put in your YM, MYM, whatever you prefer. My account, I could put either that one or my other account. On each tick, I'm going to calculate. There's the version I'm using. We're still up. Coach Hugo's still updating. Maximum look bar, 256. Required to trade 20. Wait until flat. Standard.
Yeah, they don't change anything below that. They can click enable at that point.
Yep.
Everything.
And that's what I do. I click in enabled, and we'll set apply. Boom. Done. Very welcome. So everybody has their volatility, their plan, their numbers. Newer traders, again, will say this. Those who just come in on board with us. I think we've had like 10 people in the last 2 days, right?
Yep.
You just want to get the lay of the land, ask your questions, write your notes down, because we use terms that you probably never heard before. It'll be something that helps you later on if you decide to stay with us, which most of you do, because after you are amazed, you're
Can't
going to
get
start
rid of
making
you.
money.
We can't get rid of you guys once you join.
Yeah. I mean, it's about making money. That's what this is about. And if you could find a better place, let me know. I'll close the room and go there.
I'll join too.
Yeah. Why not? You know, it's like Lee Iacocca said when Chrysler was faltering, if you could find a better car, buy it. It was a very effective commercial. I
So
don't know what he drove.
I'm just
I
going
think
to
he
tell
drove a
them,
Mustang.
Coach. The numbers email that everybody gets, it's going to start coming out. It's going to start coming out as of tomorrow, right, Coach? With the previous day's trade calls, so you can go back and look and see if we're stupid or if we actually know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
You guys think about that. We decided to do that. The numbers come out with previous day trade calls, so you guys can go back and study your charts and use it as like a homework assignment each day. What do you guys think about that? You like it? If you don't like it, we won't do it.
Yeah, because it's extra work for us. And everybody said, well, what did you call? When? Yeah, this way you can go and check.
That was. Oh, and by the way, guys, today is the day. Is Chanel here yet? Admin, you're here. Are you listening in, admin? Okay, you guys love it. All right, we'll do it. Starting tomorrow, you get the trade calls. You've already gotten 3 down. Thank you, Kev Dog. Is Chanel here yet? We'll wait till Coach Chanel gets here before we announce the member of the month. Today is the day, guys. Sorry, Bob. You're out, buddy. You're out. All right. Think I should do it now since we're just trailing this short?
Yeah, probably.
All right, guys. You guys want to know who the new member of the month is? Nobody wants to know, right?
Me, I want to know.
You can't, Betty. Well, it was a close running, and I got to tell you guys, we've got people, a couple members who really participate a lot. To be mentioned is stands up at the top. Member we want, Profitable Chad, actually took the vote, took the coach's vote. Profitable Chad, you would have been the member of the month if it weren't for one little thing we overlooked, which you will have your chance, Profitable Chad, probably next month. If you keep up your winning ways and keep doing what you're doing, stay profitable on a daily basis. But never to give somebody a member of the month after they joined because this person joined the team so fast because they were so valuable and so helpful. And that we just part of the he stands for everything we believe in, guys. Giving back, helping helping, does everything behind the scenes. He's doing more behind the scenes right now, guys. Help tons. They want push
Boys, yeah.
Oh, Mahoney, don't worry. I
Uh, rally in order to get those who didn't complete short, right? Somebody said, "Oh, I should have sold this." Don't worry. Thousand, right? Guys? Could we get it? I don't know. Use Mark. All right. 30. Ideally, that would be a nice rally to get to, right? Right up there. We'll see. I don't know if it'll go that high, but you never know. Let's watch. It's a volatility component in terms of orders. And if it doesn't get there, then they go market when it reverses. Who would like a 100-point loss right on the opening trade? Longs or either one. So for traders, 7 minutes from now, you could start trading. Go get some coffee, go to the bathroom, come back. I have some dumbbells here, not people, but do a few. 2 sets, 20.
How much weight? How much
Get
weight?
all.
How much weight you got there? 2 pounds. All right.
Anybody look at, and it's good high rep. Get a nice little. All right, we are open for business.
Newer traders, coach said it already. No trading for 6 minutes. 9:36 between 9:36 and 9:38. We got usually have some pretty darn good setups.
And remember, yesterday's high was 9. We still looking at that 962. Remember, guys? Yesterday's high, low, 962. So some of you can have a buy stop. Remember, we had that. I still had a buy stop in there, 963. So just be aware of all these. This is the rally we're talking about, right? Always happens. It's like the sun comes up. Could it go 963 to 34,004 and then reverse and come crashing down? Certainly could do that. That's what your job is to do. Wait for the 6 minutes. Get a great trade. Be amazed be amazed. Yeah. Rally time, rally time. See, then sadly, everybody's going to go long at the high instead of being long at the bottom and then scale out. If you did a counter trend trade, they're going to wait until it gets too high and then jump in just whenever the big boys start selling. But until that happens, the push is up. Does everybody see that? You will get that information nowhere else. And after the buying is over, all the longs get trapped. You'd be surprised, guys. Go back for the past 30 trading days and see how many times 6 minutes, right after 6 minutes, you had a great trade. First,
It's ridiculous.
3 minutes, yeah, it's a little different, movements up and down. But 6 minutes later, you can put your plan in practice. Those who've been with us for a few months are definitely allowed to trade the open. You could take any signal you see. Yeah, I came up with when I was at Goldman Sachs. I didn't come up with it. They did. You'd see these guys push it for 6 minutes, and they'd all be talking about it. Like they'd be pushing up. I'd see a guy on the phone. He says, all right, we're going to push it up for 6 minutes. You got it? Are you shorting? Are you shorting? Yeah, I got it. How many do you got? How many? All right, 6 minutes up. Let's unload. Boom. And then you see the thing go the other way. And they'd use the volatility targets. That's another reason we developed Sacasa, to take advantage of these kinds of reversal movements. For the newer traders, you got 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes. Some of us are short, right?
Yeah, insiders are short.
Fantastic.
Newer traders, wait. And it looks like you're missing everything.
I'm missing out.
You don't. I mean, this is going to be 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock. Plenty of trades.
More experienced guys, those are permission. Or you guys are short, I'm assuming, right? Yes. Looks like a few people are. Nice job, Robert. Same here. Got one left.
Good job,
Nice.
David.
Good. Still trailing on this one, guys. Don't just jump in, guys, just because 6 minutes is up. Don't just jump in. Let it give a little rally here.
Yep. You can wait for these little flag patterns to develop and then take the first signal.
Or do a flag short, like. It's funny how it just slowed down immediately at 6 minutes, right?
Yeah.
There it is, guys. Do a little sell stop. Now it looks like it's going to bottom out. So let it rally, one or the other. Don't take a ton of risk if you're going to jump in now on a flag pattern, or let it rally. Be patient. Those of you who are green already for the morning and you're newer and you had to wait the 6 minutes, let it rally a little bit. You've made your money. Don't jump in. If you're antsy, you could take this, sell stop below the low here, and your stop can go right above the flag, and you're not taking a lot of risk to be in it. I think that's a decent plan, Coach, right?
Yep.
If you get stopped out, you knew the risk was in. The move's already happened, right? If you don't get stopped out, there you go, guys. Anybody get in on that? Did you guys get in? We just talked you through it. Literally just talked you through it. Please tell me you got in on it.
Man, I hit this button
Good job,
and
Mahoney.
it's still not typing in. Damn it. There it goes. I hit that 30 seconds ago. I got to refresh.
Okay. Jerry stops. Took a good little trade there, Mahoney. Good job. Good job. I'm flat now, so I will be with the rest of you guys, hanging out here, waiting for the next signal.
Those who are not in a trade right now, just wait for at least the stochastics on. You could use either chart. If you want to be consistent with Sakasa, use the 15 range chart. Wait until this is overbought and then breaks to the downside. So all you have to do is just wait. I mean, trust me, you're not going to go a whole day without ever seeing an overbought stochastic.
What?
It feels that way.
Yeah, it can feel that way in the moment, right?
Yeah, I got to get in now. I mean,
I'm going to miss it.
I'm missing the opportunities. Good job, Ramon.
Love it. Need 12 ticks to be done for the day. Westy's done for the day. Nice job, Westy. Here's your gong while we wait on the next signal.
First touch will is around 8:30, 8:33, 8:30. Could go a little bit higher, like right mid Bollinger on the 2 minute is like 8:45. So just be patient. Everybody's green so far, correct? Those who's traded from 8:15 in the morning till now, right?
And everybody's green.
Please keep it that way.
This is a hook on the stochastics, guys.
There's your hook on the 133. Your next downside target would be 731. Your trailing stop is 805.
Anybody take the hook on stochastics? Diedrich, nice.
805 trailing stop, 731 next target.
Chad, Paul, great job, guys. Mahoney, good job. I just like saying Mahoney because it reminds me of the police. What was it? Police Academy.
I remember that one. Yeah.
Guy that carried the huge like. hand
731, guys. 731. Put your bid in.
Nice job, Robert. Nice job, Robert. That's a big winner for you. I just realized this. I got the exact same fill on my previous short as I got stopped out at on my overnight hold. Silliness.
I have a bid at 731, and I'll have one left after that if that hits. 731. Coming.
Why are there only 4 people in this?
Yeah, everybody should be in.
Usually, like the past 4 or 5 days,
Order filled.
Order filled.
Right.
Oh, David.
Now just lower your stop again.
We had like 15 people that would say they were in it past few days. They're all sleeping. They make too much money.
Yeah, we're giving you. I'm giving you stops and targets, guys. No excuse.
And I'm just screwing around. Yeah, that's true, David.
Good job, Drew.
Good job, Drew. Still got 2 left, guys. What's your power exit point, Coach?
Right now it's 772. 772 in the last contract.
Yeah, 1 left now.
And I am almost flat.
Ooh, here we go.
Could we hit 699? Holy cow. We might hit 620. One never knows, does one? You guys still in there?
Let's see. Done for the day. Good job, Guy.
Lower your stop. 620 is today's downside target for those swing traders.
Coach, I got my next level below that at right around 470. If it does
today, yeah, to go
next level, yeah, next level below 620.
Yeah,
470 is right around that area.
Guys, you never know. We're already down 500 points.
If it does, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm just planning ahead just in case.
Yep, that's what we do. We're flat now. I lowered my stop and got flat, 752 flat. Let's see if we can get a rally and do it again.
And more aggressive people, I guess. Well, no, yeah. There is kind of an M here, guys. If you're more aggressive, I would probably just do what Coach says.
Yeah, our first touch rules put a sell 794, see if it hits. If not, keep your green.
Yep.
we can't get every little tick, guys. You can't get every little tick on this thing.
David's a wild man this morning. I like it. I mean, it was literally a good little M forming, so should have been a good, easy 10 ticker.
Yeah, that's the only thing we won't put on the track record if we do tick, tick, booms, because we could do like 12 of them at once. So we're not going to put tick, tick, boom trades on the track records, but more or less part of our setups, you know, when we have a setup or a Sakasa trade. Good job, Bill. Average true range, 45.
I don't know, Coach. What do you think about a sell stop below the low here?
Yeah, it's another entry point. The buy stop would be pretty tight. I mean, pretty high, 778. So if you guys can afford the risk, take it. Always look at where's your stop. And if you can afford it, take it. If you've been short all night, like Coach Brian has, it doesn't matter, right? I mean, any stop is profitable.
That's true.
So yeah, right now, guys, right now the low is 706. So 705 is certainly a new entry point. Let's do it. This thing's been,
Yeah, if we're going for 620.
yeah.
Yeah.
This thing wants to keep going and going. It's like the Energizer Bunny.
You should have already gotten a target too.
Yeah, first one. Next one could be 691. And then looks like 620.
Nice.
Bing, 691 hit.
There you go, guys. Just mark that down as my call, Coach.
Yep.
I'm just kidding.
That's it. We both 705
kidding.
sell stop. What was? Yeah, we both agreed. It's concurred.
I'm
Yes,
just
and
joking around. Move your stops, make it a no lose trade, guys. Those of you who just got in on that, make it a no lose trade.
Yeah.
Then you don't
40-point winner already. Die, dog. 620 is your final target. For those of you who are more swing trader type, 620 is your next target. And then if it breaks that, you could go down another 200 points, right, Coach? To 4. What did you say, 427?
My actual number is let's see what I got here. My actual number is 424.
There you go.
This could be another runner for you guys. So you guys see how Dan has his trial badge next to all his other badges? That's what you get for that's what you get for talking back to a coach. Not following the calls properly.
But now he's following it. Today's following it. He's come over to the side of light, left the dark side.
Move your stops down a little bit.
Dan, stay in there to 620. Stay till 620. Just take half off. Leave your last target at 620. As long as you have your stop, you can't get hurt. Nice, Killer B.
Nice job. Nice. Nice job. Give Killer B a little gong. And that's for you, guy. I know I missed you, guy. So, yeah, Killer B, guy, great job. Get your done for the day gong. You got a chance, little chance here, guys. There was for some reason I had a line on my chart at 653 here, so I guess that was a prior support level at some point. So,
Yeah, a couple of weeks ago, it did hit there. Yeah.
yeah, so I guess we could look for a little rally and short again for you guys.
Those of you waiting for a little bit of on this bear flag, you can anticipate another signal soon. With a target of 620.
Hey, look at that, Profitable Chad. Isn't that surprising?
Nice.
I do too. That's funny.
I added to my short, guys. I'm still short. And I added at 7-11, still
It's a good
short.
It's a good sell signal there, guys, on the hook of stochastics.
668, next target here. Boom. Now I've got two left. 639 is the next target. I have a bid in at 639 and 620. Anybody still short? Those are your nice little targets.
Okay, that's right.
639. And
Sorry, guys.
620. We're at the beast.
Nice. Re-entry on the Sagasta signal.
No fill at 639 yet. No fill.
In these really trending days like this, guys, re-entries on Sakasa are really good. And you guys know that Sakasa is our 16 tick rule programmed in for the most part. So re-entries on Sakasa are good today.
Boom. 639 is hit. Lower your
Nice.
stops.
Nice job, Dan.
Not even a half an hour into the open. After the open. Okay, one more target. And that's a home run. Bring the monument out. You guys amazed? Everybody amazed?
Yeah. Is everybody amazed? You
If
should.
you're not amazed now, nothing's going to amaze you.
No crap.
620. It was a good guess, huh, guys? It was a good guess.
Good guess.
It's just a
Good
guess. I'm a lucky guy. What can I say? Just very lucky.
Yeah, I don't think
I
we've had a
feel
lot
lucky.
have we?
Okay, one more. Let's go. Come on. Let's sweep the rest of these contracts out so I can go flat.
And you know I'm just going to keep trailing, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So you got two options, guys. Coach is
Boom. Flat. Ding, 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 ding.
Love it. I'm still trailing. You guys can still trail. You don't have to go flat.
You don't have to, guys.
You can keep trailing. We've got. This is the way I feel about it, guys. We got plenty of profits. Most of you should have taken profits on multiple contracts at this point, and really, we haven't had a losing trade call, right, Coach? Not one.
No, yeah, absolutely.
And no heat, really, on any.
No
of them.
heat. No heat. Look at this thing go.
That is why I'm trailing. Who's trailing with me? Robert is. Bob. Drew, you still trailing? Let's see. I think Randy's still trailing. Good job, guys. This is the way I'm going to play this. I'm just going to lock in profits around.
Maybe I'm adverse to trailing because I drove a trailer. That's why, it's like,
this is just me.
I don't want to trail anything.
Six.
Hey, guys, I trailed it all the way down to 620, so don't
Right.
make fun of me yet, please. How many of you didn't get 620 and got out before 620? Let's jump on those guys. Then you're like, right?
Yeah.
How many took 10 points on the last short and like, no, I'm afraid it
Yeah,
might go up.
who didn't stand for the targets? Let's put it that way.
Mm-hmm.
In just a second, guys, we're going to go. Let's go down to those of you with me. I'm at 42 on one of my contracts now.
Randy front ran me. He's a big guy. He'll never get out.
42.
You're right, Randy. You're 622 buy. Could have sent the market right back up. Good job. Good job, everybody.
Couple more ticks.
I'm off cash. That's why that was my target for cash. Now I'll be switching to sim.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Hope you've been enjoying the live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room to take our trade calls and participate in chat to have questions answered by a coach, you can visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. After your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.